Quick reading for February the 15th to February the 16th, Pisces. We have the Tower, the Three of Pentacles, and the Magician. Ang maganda dito, nagkakaroon ng transformation, no? Mas maganda na yung nagsimula kayo sa, misunderstanding, medyo magulo, magkakaroon ng realization towards fixation rather than maayos naman kayo, papunta kayo dun sa gulo. Pero mas maganda kung fluid. Although yung fluidity dito, medyo on the dreamy state of a Pisces kasi there's no perfect relationship, magkakaroon ng disagreement. So it felt like nandito din yung mga realization for us na meron din pala dapat i-adjust sa akin, i-adjust kay person. But it felt like whatever you are manifesting in here with the Magician, nagkakaroon dito ng realization of, ay, kailangan kong ibigay, kailangan naming ayusin, kailangan maisakatuparan, no, dahil mahal namin ang isa't isa. So this is your quick reading, Pisces, for February the 15th to February the 16th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls